Oh man, oh buddy. Today we're at Indianapolis Zoo and we're in Indianapolis, Indiana, and we got the Explorer Pass. Today, our family is visiting the 93-acre Indianapolis Zoo, home to over 1,400 animals and more than 230 species. We grabbed the Explorer Pass for unlimited rides and up to 5 animal feedings. But this isn't just a fun day at the zoo. I'm on a mission to face my fears by trying to feed flamingos, giraffes, stingrays, birds, and even a kangaroo. Stay to the end to see if I go 5 for 5. Let's go! Welcome back, Chronicles. You have Carl here. If you're not from our channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. So when you get here, it is $10 to park. There's actually a lot of parking around the area. We got here a little bit later than usual. I was at the NBA Finals Game 6. So I was a little bit tired. So a little bit of a late start, but we're going to show you as much as we can here at the zoo. The mission is pretty simple. We need to feed the giraffe, the flamingos, kangaroos, lorikeets, and of course the scary stingray. But we did get distracted by something. Right when you enter, there is a hangout with a sloth. So let's see what this is. Oh, here it is. All the people are just around while there's a tree with a sloth. Oh, here's the little sloth. Look how cute the sloth is. So there is a feeding at 1 o'clock. It's 12:30 right now, so I don't know if you have to line up. So this is our first time, so I want to make sure we use up our pass. To be honest with you, like other zoos we've gone to, just to feed the giraffe is $15. So for $19, you get unlimited rides and you get 5 animals to feed. I think that's a great value. So it looks like we are going to the plains. So this is the first one we're going to use the Explorer Pass on. So what you got to look at is figure out when the schedule is. So the giraffes are being fed at 1 o'clock. So what you'll need to do is just come back at that time and then show them your little bracelet with the QR code. They'll scan it. And so that's something we have not done at an actual zoo before. All right.
You guys can come on up whenever you're ready.
All right, so it's me.
Pull it straight out.
Oh man, oh buddy. Thank you. Oh. For all those zoo fanatics, what's your favorite zoo? Put it down in the comments below. So it looks like you walk around and then you get to kind of see everybody from different angles. So it makes you feel like you're there. They have a lot of space here. Mm-hmm. You probably didn't notice this. You see the rhinos?
Yeah.
How about that rhino right there?
I saw those.
Oh, there's 2.
There's 2. They're just basking in the mud.
Holy cow.
Trying to stay cool.
So this is the Flights of Fancy. Oh, here's a line. I found it. All right, the plan is to feed these flamingos. I've never done that before. So it's water with krill. We made it. We were a little nervous.
These guys, they just like put their mouth in the water and sucked up all the krill.
Okay, we got krill and water. What am I doing?
Just yet, so when you they live in a Wonder it looks like the one shed next to the
Whoa, you're fast, buddy. Man, that was a lot more fun than I was expecting. Even though I'm afraid of animals, I actually do love animals. I just don't trust them. You know, after being chased by a baboon, swan, and 3-legged dog, I got a little trauma here. He knows that I'm scared of him. Okay, here's my arch nemesis, the baboons. Man, it was so scary when I was, I think like 4 or 5, and one of these bad boys chased me trying to get my sandwich.
Make sure you like and subscribe, and also I'm a wizard, so I could turn you into a monkey like me.
All right, here is the kangaroo crossing. This seems scary. They open and close the gates. Oh, what are we doing here? This is like my biggest fear, caged area. Oh my gosh, they're actually like literally out. I am literally inches from the kangaroos. How is that possible? Is this safe to be just hanging out with kangaroos? Anyone from Australia, please let me know. I have never seen a place have kangaroos just laying around right next to you. And then 2, being able to feed them.
All right,
Whoa,
okay.
it's a piece of lettuce.
All right.
All right. He's like, oh yeah. He's like, I know what I'm supposed to do.
Yeah. Here you go, buddy. I did it. I did it.
No, he's not. He's fine.
Oh man. Oh, he's looking at. He's mean mugging me. Oh, baby, watch out. I'd have a good feeling about that guy.
Look at.
Yeah. I think it's time for me to go. So there's 3 different community hubs, but there's little things that they can actually go through in order to go from one community to the other. And it's really neat to see them just wandering the park. Never seen any other zoo do this. How scary is this one?
He's afraid of animals.
So what is this?
It's apple juice.
Apple juice. Basic old apple juice. All right. The lady promised me that it's safe.
You won't be traumatized by
Yeah.
it.
Her, she told me I was gonna be okay. They need a warning that you need to have like long arms. A Tyrannosaurus Rex arms can't reach far enough. All right, there's a close one. The other guys I can't reach. All right, good job, buddy. Oh, so scary. I was doing good feeding those guys, and all of a sudden, like 5 flew right past me. I was like, I'm out of here. I'm not playing around. Look at these giant turtles over here. They are size of boulders. You can do it, buddy. Keep going. You're almost to the other side of that one brick of the sidewalk. Okay, to put everything to perspective, this is this, and this is how big that turtle is compared to Melissa. Look how big that ginormous thing is. That is nuts. All right, Melissa, what's next up is the more infamous of all the feedings, the stingray.
Great.
Last time we had this, it was in the Denver downtown aquarium, and the stingray growled at Melissa.
Scary.
It was the scariest thing ever. Oh, that thing growled! But we're gonna try to be brave so we can show you all the Explorer Pass activities. So next up is oceans. What do we got here? A shrimp?
Shrimp. There's been salmon, squid.
What happened there with the stingray incident?
I did not want to feed it, and so Mom did it all.
There, Carl. You get to do it.
Oh, you're good. Mommy can do it all. Yeah, I had to give it to her too. Mommy was the brave one today. 4 out of 5 is not bad.
So I liked this way better, where you hold the squid or the shrimp like this and put your hand in. So like they just went right over my hand, and its mouth was like sucked it on
Oh
in.
my
It was like
gosh. So I think out of all the zoos we've gone to at different states, I think this is probably the most interactive because of the Explorer
Yeah,
Pass.
I love the Explorer Pass because you get to feed all these different animals. It's perfect for like a family with like little kids because it's not so overwhelming.
If you get a chance, come here to Indianapolis Zoo. Click right here to find out more about the Indianapolis Children's Museum.